Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chatham County, Davidson County. This includes the city of Nashville, Rutherford County, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tennis ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 100 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Ashland City to near Franklin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing 100 miles per hour wind gusts. Flash flooding is with this storm. Hazard, 100 miles per hour wind gusts and tennis ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Nashville, Murfreesboro, Franklin, Brentwood, Smyrna, Auburn, Enidge, Hermitage, and Belmead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. Flood emergency for downtown Nashville. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Chatham County in Middle Tennessee, Davidson County in Middle Tennessee. This includes the city of Nashville, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, until midnight. At 7:15 p.m., Davidson County emergency management officials reported extreme flash flooding in Nashville. Between 10 and 15 inches of rain have fallen. This is a flash flood emergency for downtown Nashville. Some locations that will continue to experience flash flooding include Nashville, Murfreesboro, Franklin, Brentwood, Smyrna, Auburn, Antioch, Hermitage, and Belmead. Seek higher ground now. Do not attempt to travel unless you are in an evacuation order. Certain roads may be completely impassable for those evacuating. This is an extremely dangerous situation.